Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Learning. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows level update preview for KB5064081 Windows level 24H2 installation error. If this getting this error, simply few methods try to this error fix it. Before you are begin, like this video, subscribe to our support our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu and click on the power button. Select the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Then go to the next step. Then services. So go to the Windows search bar. Then type that services. Just click to open it. Just scroll down. Find Windows Update. Then just click to select. Then right click. Click on the properties. If the service status is stopped, just start button click here to change it. Then it is already running, so don't change it. Hit close it. Then come to back. Then go to the next step. Command promote. So go to the Windows search bar. Then type that CMD. Then right click. Click on the run as administrator. Confirmation. Click to yes. This command description insert. Then available. Then copy to paste. This process will take some time, so wait here. This process finished then only, then go to the next step. I will skip it. But if you did not skip 100% completed only, then go to the next step. Then go to the next step for the Windows update file delete. So go to that file explorer, then click on the local disk C, then click on Windows folder, double tap to open it, then scroll down, find software distribution, that folder select, then double tap to open it, then select it all that insert, then right click, click on the delete button. Just once it delete, then close it, then go to the next step. Troubleshoot Windows update. So go to the search bar, then type that settings. Just click to open it. Then Windows search bar, go to click here to type Windows update. Hit the enter, then scroll down. Find the fix problem with Windows update. Just click here to open it. Then Windows update troubleshoot option. So next button click here. In this method, finish it, then close it. Finish it only, close it, and go to the next step. Then final step for the Windows update, check it. So go to that settings, click on the Windows update. If this available, just click to update the latest version. Then your problem fix it now. Finally restart your system. I hope this video helpful for you. Please like and comment this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. This method working or not working, comment section, go to comment and subscribe to support our YouTube channel. If this any doubt, please ask me anytime.